Could you tell us a little bit about this car and maybe the brand?
Yeah, sure. So VinFast is based out of Vietnam. We are the largest car brand within Vietnam as well. We are owned by Vingroup, which is a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate that owns 20 other businesses on top of VinFast. VinFast is the first company ever in history to fully convert from everything to gas-powered to EV. The U.S. market cars are only EVs. We have 4 models as of right now. This is our VF9, which is our largest model. It's a 3-row, 6 or 7-seater, depending on your configuration of the vehicle. Our VF8, which is the blue car on the far side over there, is our 5-seater, 2-row, mid-size SUV. And that car.
These are all electric?
All electric, correct.
And do you know, like, in terms of pricing, what we're looking at?
So for this particular one, it starts at 72 and it goes all the way up to 91, depending on your configuration. And on top of that as well, this is the bigger car, so it's going to be slightly more expensive just because more material.
What's your cheapest car start at, and what are the specs on that?
VF8. The car on the other side, because we only have those 2 options right now. The 2 cars in the middle, you'll see 2024, and they're going to be 2024 model years.
Okay.
I do not know pricing of those vehicles. No one has told us, nothing like that. But the VF8 starts at 47, goes up to 57.
Are these cars built in Vietnam?
Correct.
That's interesting.
We are going to be moving our manufacturing plant to North Carolina as well in 2024.
Yeah.
We already bought a manufacturing plant there for a cheap price of $2 billion.
That's not bad.
So
discount.
It's all going to be made in America. It's all going to be built here. And it just won't be American owned.
That's very interesting that a company would start out of Vietnam, just because Vietnam doesn't really have cars, right? They have like scooters.
Yeah, exactly. And it's actually very funny you said that. VinFast makes mopeds as well.
Sense.
And they do transport, like for public transport, so buses and all that kind of stuff as well. So it's more about transportation as a whole, not just the cars.
Okay.
Which is pretty cool.
This is supposed to be like one of their bigger size, more luxurious cars. It should do, he said 270 miles at 90%. At 100%, it could probably do, he said 360, 370, which is kind of strange. He also said that the car can charge from 10% to like 70% in 28 minutes on a level 2. Now, I think he meant a fast charger, but if that can be done on a level 2, that'd be kind of insane. And they don't know the technical specs of like battery capacity and stuff, which is fine. But this company is based out of Vietnam. They're confident that they can break into the U.S. market. I'd be interested to see. I mean, it's an interesting looking car. Didn't really like the cheaper looking models. I mean, again, they're prototypes, so once it goes into production, it's probably gonna look a little different. But overall, it's not a terrible option. It's nice that the EV space is starting to become pretty competitive, and that it's gonna force legacy automakers to really start pushing their capabilities and their potential.